crochet braids. Starting with this style, I have my hair twisted in 8 twists at the back and 4 twists at the front. All you'll be needing for this tutorial are just bobby pins. So let's get started. For the back section, as you can see, I'm just taking the twist and pinning them up. You can pin the hair any way you want and in any direction. Just be creative, and I'm sure, or should I say, let your fingers guide you, and I'm sure you will whip up something really nice. Also, I already had these crochet braids for say 2 or 3 weeks when I created this style. So yeah, the hair already has product build up from gel at the left hand side, and well, that's that. So I'm just taking the loose end from the twist at the back, and I'm just going to be tucking that in too. For the front section, I'm going to be taking the twist and kind of flat twisting them loosely. Hopefully my English makes sense, and I'm just going to be using a bobby pin to tuck it in and secure it. As you can see, my twists are pretty loose. For a more defined style, you would need to twist tightly. Or should I say, for a more defined look, you need to twist like tightly. So that's it for this tutorial, or should I say the first style. So for style number 2, I'm also sectioning a part off, which is going to be our base. I'm just going to put that away while I work with the rest of the hair. So I'm just going to be using my bobby pins to pin this hair from the left hand side down to the right. So once I'm done pinning down the hair, I'm just going to be loosely flat twisting the tips. Once I'm done twisting, I'm also going to be putting the ends away, like tuck it in and all of that. So for the front section, it's really similar to the first base I did, only these ones, they were not pre-twisted before lightly twisting them together. So I'm just tucking the ends in and pinning down with a bobby pin for extra security. I really think that these styles are really easy, and even a beginner can achieve this. So for my next hairstyle, I'm just doing something similar to what I did in the video where I installed my crochet braids. If you haven't seen that video, please do check it out just to see how I installed the hair from scratch. So I'm just taking hair from the left and the right hand side and pinning them down at the middle. Then the leftover hair at the tip, I'm just going to roll it up and pin it down with a bobby pin. If you like your hair hanging loose, you can also leave the back part down. So yeah, that's it for this tutorial, guys. Or ladies, pardon me, or guys, if you are watching. I would say this style is by far my favorite of all the styles that I compiled today. All I'm doing is I'm taking an elastic band and I'm just putting it down my hair like I'm wearing a puff on my natural hair. Or is it puff? Do let me know in the comment section how it's pronounced. So I'm just taking the ends of the hair and lightly twisting. I'm going to tuck it in to give it that inverted donut bun look. And I'm also going to be pinning down with a bobby pin to just secure it. For my base, I'm just freestyling and then I'm just letting my fingers guide me, and then we'll just see what we come up with. So that's it. This is the last style for today's tutorial. I hope you really enjoyed it, and do let me know in the comment section your favorite style, or how you like to style your crochet braids, or how you would have done this differently. You can also tie a scarf around your perimeter just to give it a more chic look. I also decided to take the bun to the side, and I think it really looks lovely. You can also put an hair accessory to the hair just to give it a bit of color. You guys, I'm telling you, I like to get the most out of my protective styles. So if you would love to see how I switched up this style to like a TWA, a mini fro, please do stay tuned, and I'll be sharing that in my next tutorial. If you really enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe, and also do help me share with your family and friends. Thank you all so much for watching. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section and I'll definitely attend to it. Thank you guys. Till next time. Bye.